Is your Logitech mechanical keyboard not working right? Some keys dead or not responding at all? Don't panic. This simple fix might save you time, money, and a lot of frustration. The issue usually happens because dust, hair, or debris gets trapped under the keys, stopping them from registering properly. You don't need to open it up or desolder anything. That's just a huge hassle. Logitech mechanical keyboards are packed with tiny screws and clips, and taking them apart is a nightmare. Instead, here's a much easier solution that worked for me. Start by vacuuming the surface of the keyboard thoroughly to remove any loose dust, hair, or crumbs. Then, take 99% isopropyl alcohol and generously pour it directly over the affected area. Let the alcohol seep into the switches. It evaporates quickly and safely, cleans inside without damaging anything. If some keys are still not working, repeat the process once or twice more. No opening, no desoldering, just vacuum, pour, and fix. If this helped you out, hit like, subscribe, and let me know how it worked for you in the comments.